Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Engineers Review. But before we start with the video, we would like to share that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel yet. So if you are one of them, then please do subscribe to our channel, because as soon as we hit 1000 subscribers, we are going to have a huge giveaway of this best-selling Boat Bassheads 900 headphone to one of our lucky subscriber. To know how to participate in this giveaway, watch this video till the end. Now get back to today's topic, that we have brought you guys a full detailed comparison between these two latest 11th generation laptops. So without further ado, let's get into the review. Starting with the Dell Inspiron 3501, which costs between 50 to 55,000 rupees, you will get the latest i5 11th generation processor, Full HD IPS 15 inches of narrow bezel screen, 1TB HDD plus 256 SSD of hybrid storage and a battery backup of 4 hours. And on the other side, Acer Aspire 5 also costs around 50 to 55,000 rupees, which includes the same latest i5 11th generation processor, Full HD IPS 15.6 inches of narrow bezel screen, 512 SSD of storage and a battery backup of 4 to 5 hours. But the question arises that with all these similarities between their hardware, power pricing and specifications, which one is better? In the terms of design, Acer Aspire 5 comes with a dual tone combination of matte black and silver color finish that feels premium. Even though it is made up of full ABS plastic, the build quality is pretty decent. This device weighs around 1.65 kgs, which is pretty lightweight as compared to other 15.6 inches category laptops. You will also get Acer branding on the center of the back panel as well as on the hinges. On the bottom panel of the laptop, it has an air intake fence and speaker grill on the adjacent sides. Coming to the keyboard, that has backlit functionality, the keys are nice and feel responsive while typing with a nice travel distance. Trackpad is wide and has a smooth surface. The most important part of any laptop are their hinges itself. We didn't notice any wobble or flex on the lids while opening and closing it multiple times. Acer Aspire 5 has most of its port on the left side, that includes one power plug, Ethernet port, two USB 3.0 type ports and one USB-C type port. On the other side, there is a headphone jack and one USB 3.0 type port. Dell Inspiron 3501 comes with all matte black finish that gives this device a clean and classy look. This laptop is also made up of solid plastic. Still, this laptop weighs around 3 kgs, which makes this device way more heavier as compared to its competitors on the same category. But Dell didn't compromise with the build quality of their laptops, so you don't need to worry about the hardware damages. Its keyboard is pretty good, keys are responsive with good travel distance for comfort typing, and white backlit will not let you feel dim in the dark conditions. Plus, the power button is included in the keypad itself. Trackpad is wide and has a black matte finish on it. Dell Inspiron 3501 also has most of its ports on the left side and the rest on the right side. Coming to the display, Acer Aspire 5 has narrow edge bezel, 15.6 inches anti-glare Full HD IPS display with 51% of sRGB color rating, which is enough for regular users, but if you are in heavy video and photo editor, it will not be adequate for these activities. Furthermore, it has 300 nits of brightness that is quite sufficient for both outdoor and indoor users. Overall, the display quality is pretty decent in this price segment. Now the Dell Inspiron 3501 comes with 15.6 inches of Full HD IPS narrow bezel display with anti-glare screen. The display has excellent viewing angles with pixel density of 142 ppi. But it has only 50% of sRGB color rating as well as 273 nits of brightness, which is slightly lower than to its competitors. Hence, this laptop can be a decent option for normal users, but definitely not for any heavy video and photo editors. So before getting to the performance part, let's talk about the giveaway participation process. We have given the links in the description box, in which you just have to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. After that, write down your entry in the comment section for confirming your participation for the giveaway, and also follow us on Instagram for future updates. Hurry up and participate for the giveaway. Acer Aspire 5 runs on the latest Intel Core i5 11th generation processor. It gives a base frequency of 2.4 GHz with a maximum turbo clock speed up to 4.2 GHz with 8 MB of cache. Includes 8 GB DDR4 RAM, upgradable up to 20 GB with 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD of storage. Expandable up to 2 TB. That shows this laptop has enough space and power to run intensive softwares like Filmora, AutoCAD, Photoshop, etc. Gaming experience isn't that bad, even though Acer Aspire 5 comes with integrated Iris Xe GPU. You can definitely play games on this laptop on low to medium settings. There's a 49 Wh3-cell battery inside the hood. You can expect battery backup of 4 to 5 hours on casual uses. Overall, the battery life of Acer Aspire 5 is decent for a budget laptop. Dell Inspiron 3501 powered by the latest Intel Core i5 11th generation processor. It gives a base frequency of 2.4 GHz with a maximum turbo clock up to 4.2 GHz with 8 MB cache, including 2 GB Intel Iris Xe graphics, storage capacity of 1 TB HDD plus 256 GB M.2 PCIe SSD. But we are rarely disappointed with the RAM offered to this laptop, which came to be only 4 GB. However, you can expand the RAM up to 16 GB. Hence, in this price tag, this laptop may not offer almost the same specifications and functionalities as compared to its competitors, but still, it's more than enough power to perform tasks like content creation, programming, and can play mid-level gaming without any issues. This laptop has only 37 Wh 3-cell battery, which is lower than we expected. Hence, the battery backup will only be 3 to 4 hours. Now let's conclude after the in-depth reviewing of these products. Lightweight and easily to carry around. Slightly better color quality, offering 8 GB RAM with upgradable options too. Better battery backup. Better build quality. All matte black finish looks more classy and attractive. Dell has better after-sales service. Better typing experience. So after an in-depth comparison between both the laptops, which belong to renowned brands of the market, based on these results we have seen the review so far, it's clear that Acer Aspire 5 offers more specifications and functionality compared to Dell Inspiron 3501. That includes better battery backup, display quality, and more 8 GB of RAM. Hence, Acer Aspire 5 could be a clear winner, but still both laptops are great on their own perspective and designed according to customer desires. We have given the best buy links in the description box below. You can get it from there. So at last, which one would you prefer? Better performance or better build quality? Let us know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Engineers Review. Also, for more tech information, you can follow us on Instagram and show your participation in the giveaway. Bye bye and take care.